guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing a very easy and simple baked chicken recipe. To get started, here I have 3 leg quarters. I went ahead and washed it up in some vinegar and lemon juice. And I have here some dried herbs. I have thyme, oregano, and basil. I'll be using some canola oil. You can use any oil of your choice. I have black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, some all-purpose seasoning, chicken seasoning. I have smoked paprika and some chicken bouillon. So the first thing you want to do is combine all of your seasonings. That will make it easier to distribute the seasonings onto your chicken. And what I did was I went ahead and pat my chicken dry because you want the chicken as dry as possible. That will give you a nice crispy skin on the chicken when the chicken is done. Next, we'll go ahead and coat the chicken with the oil. This will also help with crisping up the skin. And then we will generously coat the chicken with the seasonings. We will season it really well and then we'll let it sit for about 2 hours. Or you can let it sit longer if you have the time. This will be absolutely amazing and you guys will not regret trying the recipe. Now, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, this is your chance. Go right ahead and just hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my yummy recipes. And don't forget to hit the bell so you'll get a notification every time I upload new videos. Next, we'll place this in our oven at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. We will place it in there for 1 hour uncovered. After about 1 hour, our chicken is finally done. When it comes out of the oven, the skin will look extra crispy and super dry. So what we'll do is we'll coat it with the chicken juices. We will coat it really well so it will become nice and moist, and then we'll get ready to serve. This chicken smells absolutely amazing, guys. You can see all those herbs on the chicken there and the spices, and it smells amazing. I can't wait to dig in. So today I'll be enjoying my baked chicken with some steamed broccoli, seasoned rice, and some potato salad. Guys, this is absolutely amazing and it's the perfect dinner idea for like your partner, your family, or your friends. Everyone will enjoy this. I do hope you guys give the recipe a try, and if you enjoy my video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Enjoy!